Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Larry from Diecast by Larry. I have a real special treat for all you M2 fanatics out there. We're going to be doing a sneak peek on the soon-to-be-released Autolift Release 25 set. Now, this set was announced by M2 on October 5th, 2023, and it's going to be a 3-casting set with 2 pieces on each lift. Now, this set is only hobby exclusive, so what that means is it's going to go to Hobby Lobby and to your favorite hobby dealers. Now, at Hobby Lobby, they cost $17.99 a piece. If you're going through your hobby dealers, I did some research, you're looking at about $48 to $50 for the set of 3, or about $16 to $17 for the singles. Now, M2 does have a list of hobby dealers on their website, and I'm also going to drop a couple links in the description of my favorite hobby dealers as well, which include people like House of Cars, Now and Then Forever Collectibles, JTS Specialty, Bobby's Diecast, Watch Diecast. So you got some really good options on where you could find these pieces. Now, we got the information on the set. Let's start looking at the castings. So here we go. Really excited to open this. I love pop and sealed M2 cases. And really excited to see these in person. I love the auto lifts. I love that they're hobby exclusive, so a little bit harder to come across. And here we go. So let's see what casting we're going to look at first. And we have the 1944 Jeep MB. Now, this Jeep MB is wrapped in Maui & Sons graphics. Very cool. Like I said, there are 2 pieces per lift. And this is going to be your first casting of this 3-casting set. I think these are very cool. I love these little Jeeps. I love what M2's been doing with them. So there you have it. 1944 Jeep MB. That's our first casting. And of course, you're going to get 2 per box. Now, the second casting, one of my favorites, is the 1960 VW delivery van. I'm a big VW fan, so these are really cool. And again, you get 2 pieces per set. And these are wrapped in the Planters Mr. Peanut skin, a favorite by many. There you have it. And again, like I said, if you're going to get a sealed case from a hobby dealer, you're going to get 2 per case. So there's the other one. Now, here's what, in my opinion, is going to be most people's favorite casting of this set. These have been really, really popular in the M2 world. It's going to be the 1979 Chevy Silverados. How cool are those? You got the bedless truck on top. It's wrapped in the very popular Edelbrock skin. So we got these really cool Silverados on the lift. These are going to be a really popular casting. And I did do a little bit of a sneak as I was looking in the case. And M2 did send me a case with the chase. There you have it. This chase is limited to 750 pieces. It's got the gold trim and the gold wheels, as you could see. Now, M2 doesn't put the stickers on the clamshells anymore. So you really got to do your research and know what to look for when it comes to finding chases these days, because it's not as obvious with those stickers on there. This is really sweet. And I love that the gold is actually on the bed list. Like I said, that's my favorite. You know, you can see the difference right there with the gold trim versus the chrome trim, the silver chrome trim. So very cool. So this is an awesome set. I'm stoked and grateful that I got a chase out of this as well. I love the graphics on these. I'm trying to fit these all on the desk here. I love the graphics on these. I love the VWs. I love the Jeeps. I'm not a huge truck guy, but I love the bedless trucks. So, you know, I'm really excited that that came in this cast as the casting in this set. But there you have it. This is your sneak peek on the soon-to-be-released Release 25 of the Autolift 2-pack sets. Again, these are hobby exclusive only. Start getting out there and looking for them. They should be hitting soon. Happy hunting. Thank you for watching, and you all have a great day.